Welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding another big TCS recruitment drive. So it is the TCS BPS hiring drive. BPS is Business Process Services. Now this drive is especially for arts, commerce and science graduates. Now before we go into the video regarding our channel, now this channel is especially meant for exam preparation and job alerts pertaining to exams like staff selection, UPSC, TNPSC, IBPS and RRB. We also upload contents related to aptitude and reasoning with related to on-campus and off-campus placements. So if you're preparing for any of these exams, please do subscribe to our channel. Now to the contents of the video. So we're going to talk about this particular drive, the eligibility criteria, the dates, how to apply and the test pattern and the process. So about the drive, so this recruitment is for the TCS units of Cognitive Business Operations Unit, Banking and Financial Services and Insurance Unit, and the Life Sciences Unit. And the eligibility criteria: BCom, that is Commerce, BA, and BAF, that is BAF is Accounts and Finance, BBI, that is Business and Banking and Insurance, BBA, Business Administration, BBM, Business Management, and BMS is Management Studies. So BSc, BCA, BCS, that is Bachelor of Computer Science or Computer Studies, and then B Form as well. So this is the educational qualification for this particular recruitment. And please remember, there should not be any current arrears or standing arrears while you at the time of appearing for this examination. There should not be any standing arrears or any current arrears. And the age limit is between 18 years to 28 years max, and the total gap can be a maximum of only 2 years academic gap. Let's for example, let's say between 12th and graduation or whatever, a maximum of only 2 years of gap allowed. And the students who have passed out in 2019 and 2020 can appear. Also students who are passing out this year 2021. Okay, so even if you are in the 6th semester now, your exams are not yet over, those candidates can also appear. So there is no need for any work experience. If you have, it is fine. So there is no need for any work experience otherwise. So 2019, 2020 and 2020 passed outs can appear for this particular recruitment drive. So important dates. So the last date for registration is 23rd May, and the test date is 6th June 2021, and the interview date will be informed later. And this is the link to apply. So if you click, this link is shared in the description below. Please make use of it. So if you click on that link, you will have like two entry points. You should click for the BPS entry point, right? So before you click and proceed further, continue to watch the video to get the complete details. So once you get into that BPS entry, there are two steps. One is the next step, portal registration, and the other one is applying for this particular drive. So in the next step, portal registration, there is like a general registration wherein you have to give your name, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institute name, that is where you have completed your education, qualification, year of passing, and the nearest test location. Please remember, as far as nearest test location is concerned, you don't have to look for only big cities. Even the smaller towns or smaller cities near to your place may be part of that list, because it has got so many cities included there, so many cities and towns included there. So check carefully for your nearest location, and then finally you can also generate your password and set your password. So this is the next step, portal registration. Now once this is completed, you will get an email, right? Then you can apply for this particular drive, that is the BPS drive. So Farron, you will be asked for your personal details, academic and work experience details, languages known, achievements, form preview, and then the declaration. So in the personal details, you'll be asked for the permanent address, present address, and like additional phone numbers, etc. Right. So the other contact details. Second, you'll be asked for the academic and work experience. Well, be you'll be asked for the highest qualification, graduation, 12th and 10th. So in these, you'll be asked like in which institution you have studied or which board, then year of passing out, and then the CGPA or percentage. It will be asked. You have to fill. So you have to remember all your grades and percentages. And then if you have any other qualification, you can also add that. And if you have any work experience, right? So please remember that this freshers can also apply for this. There is no need for any specific work experience, but if you have work experience, you can very well add. Then the nationality should be an Indian, and you have to enter the languages known, whatever languages you know to read, write, and speak. You can mention that, and then you can also mention your achievements, scholarships, and certifications, etc. And then finally, you have to upload your photo and your curriculum vitae, that is your biodata or resume, whatever you can call it. Okay, so as far as your digital passport size photograph is concerned, it should be a recent one. It can be in the format like .jpg or .jpeg, and maximum allowed size is 500 kb. And the resume should be either in the word document, that is in doc or docx, or it can be in the text form like rtf or the notepad .txt form, and the maximum size allowed is only 500 kb. This is the CV or the resume or the biodata. Then finally, you can go through the form. You can have a complete preview of the form, and you have to give the declaration. And also here you have to enter. If suppose you have appeared for any of the TCS recruitment drives before, you have to enter those details and finally submit your application. Once you submit your application, you will get a confirmation mail. Now, before the exam, you will get an admit card confirming your uh, eligibility. Now meanwhile, also you can like look at your status of application, like in between, also even after your application, you can just log in and check your status also, and you'll be getting an anyhow before the exam, if you are eligible as per the TCS norms, you will be called for, I mean, you will get an admit card for the written test. So as far as the written test is concerned, a total duration of 2 hours, and total questions like 80 questions. So first half an hour, like 24 questions, verbal ability. In verbal ability, you can expect questions like reading comprehension, sentence correction, etc. That kind of questions you can expect. Then reasoning ability, wherein you can be asked questions in, let's say, coding, decoding, number series, or analytical reasoning, and then uh, blood relationship, seating arrangement based questions, and so on. That's like for 50 minutes. And then for numerical ability, 40 minutes, 26 questions. So you can expect questions from like LCM, HCF, number, I mean LCM, HCF factors, time, speed, distance, time on work, permutation, combination, probability, ratio, proportion, mixtures and solutions, percentage, profit loss, etc. Now, with regard to I mean, reasoning ability and numerical ability, you can find videos for those in our channel. Some of the sample videos are also given in the description below. You can look at the links and make use of it. So once you qualify the written test, you'll be called for the interview. So given the present situation, so we are not sure how this will be conducted and all that. But like usually, if you see, you have probably a kind of an extempore kind of a session, or a group discussion kind of a session, where you'll be given a topic and asked to talk about it, and then you will have an interview. Interview will be a combination of the HR and the technical interview. Like you'll be asked questions like, why do you want to join TCS? Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Okay, what is your goal or strength and weakness? Or will you be HR questions like, will you be willing to relocate? And then they'll be telling you that, okay, you should be ready to work in different shifts, etc. So the process, next after written test, you have an interview. Now after that, finally you'll be called for finally you will get the offer letter. So as far as this particular entry is concerned, usually the offer is somewhere around 3.5 lakhs. The cost to company CTC for this particular role is around 3.5 lakhs. Now, hope the information I have shared in this video is useful to you. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. For more videos on job alerts and aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.